So I washed the engine with the water. I know, stupid thing, well, it is what it is. So the car won't start now. I've tried a few things. Thought I might have burnt the fuel pump relay, which is which one? It's this one down here. I just removed it now. So I don't know, I'm not sure if I did, but possibly that could be a reason why the car won't start. But there is no single drop of fuel in injectors, and I sprayed the carb cleaner a little bit just to see whether it's going to start and see if it's fuel related issue, but the car won't start even with the fuel kind of supports or the carb cleaner directly into the throttle body. So I don't know if it's something electrical. I mean, I know these wires don't look great and I will probably have to change them at some point, but it worked perfect. I mean, I just changed the what you call them, spark plugs, like a few days ago, and they're actually perfect. AC Delco. The car was running fantastic. So now I'm thinking, what if I burn something electrically, and what if it's ignition coil? I opened up this box, but I can't see anything different or unusual. The only thing is I'm bothered is this kind of here connector. It's kind of not connected to anything. I looked if maybe I pulled something when I was cleaning the engine by accident, but I can't find anywhere any connector to this. So I don't know if it's just a dummy one or something should be connected to that. Also this kind of I don't know if you can see, but there's this kind of like a vacuum line which is not connected also to anything, and it goes somewhere from down under the engine. I have no clue from where, but as you remember, my throttle bodies are a little bit modified with these two air filters, and a lot of lines are cancelled, the vacuum lines, so perhaps it's again, I mean, the car was working solid before I actually washed the engine. Let me just go on the other side so I can show you the alternator. But then again, I'm not sure if alternator would, you know, I mean, the battery is brand new as well, still pretty juicy. So I don't know, I checked these switches as well, the wires, all connections, everything seemed to be, I know, not in best order, and for sure I'll have to look into that. But I don't know, any idea what this thing is as well. I checked the connections there as well, but what, you know, could I remove these obviously to just reach the fuel pump relay, which I'm gonna replace for sure. It's an old one, probably the original, I guess, I don't know. And I don't know if this is the blower relay, I'm not sure which relay, or for the lights, or this is for the lights, I'm not really sure. I don't have a manual, unfortunately. So I'm kind of, I do have, but it's not the best one. It's 84 through to 87. But yeah, if you have, or anybody has any ideas, please let me know, because I really don't know what would be the next move. So basically the car cranks. I'll just demonstrate now. Yeah, I think the keys are here. Okay, just one moment, bear with me. Okay, so the fan goes off. And yeah, that's what it does. Nothing, basically, just keep cranking. So I was thinking, if it's a blown fuel relay, it could start also, maybe after building pressure from the oil switch, oil pressure switch. But I don't know anymore, so I'm hoping that's the problem. But then again, the problem that I see with trying to start with the carb spray, although I know it's not the best thing to spray into the throttle to start. I just wanted to see whether I have a fuel problem. I need to stress out that the fuel pump is absolutely new. It was running like perfect. Just a week ago I changed the whole sending unit finally, because if you remember, my fuel line, return fuel line, was blocked, so I changed the whole, at the sending unit, so I changed the whole fuel sending unit, and it was running great. Fuel pump fuse is fine. I checked, even just in case replace it with another one, but it's still, it cranks but nothing. So yeah, I don't know what's the next thing to check. Please, if anyone having any ideas, please help. Thanks for watching.